Nairobi.
Now, police have asked motorists to expect major transport disruptions Thursday when key roads will be closed during the papal mass. Now, let's take a look at some of the roads that will be blocked and the designated parking areas. We begin with Mombasa Road, and that will be blocked from the Bunyala roundabout, and motorists will not be allowed towards the CBD. Bunyala and Upper Hill roads will, however, be accessible. We want to move on now to Wayaki Way. All right, no vehicles will go beyond the slip road on Museum Hill. Motorists will have to detour through adjacent roads via Ojijo Road. University Way roundabout will remain a no-go zone for motorists as a barrier will be placed at Lillian Towers. We want to move on now to Kenyatta Avenue. And that will be blocked at the GPO terminus, and no motorist will go beyond the Kenyatta Avenue Uhuru Highway roundabout. Let's move on now from Harambee Avenue, Parliament Road, Poster Road and City Hallway. That's onto Uhuru Highway. All those roads will be blocked. At Haile Selassie Avenue, that particular road will be blocked just around the railway's bus terminus. Other barriers, as you can see, will be placed at the Kenya National Library Services and at the NHIF building. Now, very shortly, let's move on to Ngong Road. And you're advised to use alternative routes if you're heading to Upper Hill or Bunyala and Mbagathi roads. The junction between Ring Road, Kileleshwa Arboretum will also be blocked. Motorists on Dennisprit Road will not be allowed beyond Gate D of State House. Now, designated parking spaces have been identified for motorists during that day. The Imara Daima and Syokimau railway station will serve those plying Mombasa Road. Other parking areas include Highway Secondary School, Capital Centre, South Sea Police Pavilion and Nyayo Stadium. Don Bosco Catholic Church, Upper Hill Secondary School and St. George's Primary will be used by those on Ngong Road. St. Peter's Clavers Primary School will serve those plying Jogoo Road. Those on Wayaki Way will park at St. Mary's and St. Austin schools as well as St. Mark's Church. And on Thika Superhighway, Aga Khan Secondary School, Premier Academy and Jamia Mosque have been designated as parking areas. We'll be giving you details on those roads just a little shortly in this bulletin on our big question interview, that coming up in